Hello, today in this video I'm going to show you that how can we render our water simulation whenever we complete our simulation in this scene. I have already completed my water simulation by using this collision effector object, keeping this as a domain, and this is my inflow. I already set up the scene with the sun of at 50 strength. Now what is the issue is that whenever we click onto the render image, you will see this box here. So how can we remove this? How can we solve this issue? So first you can see that my water simulation is working perfectly, and also it is colliding with this cube here. Now what we have to do, we have to click onto the domain, and inside the domain we have to go to the our this physics property here, and what you have to do, you have to click control to open only one and close the other. Press control, for example press control and click on left mouse button with setting, then it will open setting and other will be close. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to uh, go with the uh, mesh, this mesh option here. Click onto the mesh, and now you can see the mesh is converted into this, and if I click onto the animation, you can see the mesh is working perfectly. But the thing is this working in rendering? So we have to try. First click pause, and we have to go to the render. After pause, go to the render image. Yes, this is how we can remove the cube. Click onto the mesh, and you will see this error is solved. Now if you can apply if you want to apply material over this, so go to the domain and click on the shader editor. Inside this, click on to the material tab, and in the material tab delete this, use a shader of glass BSDF and other reflections shader here. Use one more shader, which is mix shader. Combine these two and combine this with the surface. Go to the rendering and click on to the render image. Now you can see water is also converted, is refracted. Now we have to go into the this render engine and turn on the ambient inclusion. Bloom should be uh, decreased little like this. Okay, go to the screen space refraction and turn on the refraction. This will help in the rendering. Now what we have to do, we have to click onto the 0 button on keyboard and press the 70 43 frame and render the image. So here's the result, but there is some error still. So what is the error is, we have to run the animation once. So it is okay. So there are some error you can face whenever the simulation is going on and you stop in between, and if you are using for example, you press here and your keyframe is here. Now if you click on render image, there are some problem you can face. So you have to complete the process again, process once, and go to the first frame, and then play and stop, and then you have to render. So go to the render image. Yes, it is solved. So this is how you can fix the error of rendering and water simulation in Blender. Thanks for watching. Comment in the comment box for more video. Hope you like this. Thank you.